Place your all-in-one hooper on a sturdy work surface. Rotate the box so that the labels are facing you. Cut the tape on all three sides. Rotate the box so that the opening is on the left-hand side. Pull out the accessory box and place to the side. Pull and slide out the all-in-one hooper out of the box. Cut the support tapes on the front and back of the device. Lay down the device on its side. Remove device from package inserts. Rotate the device around. Package contents. The all-in-one hooper comes complete with all the following items. Pull off the plastic bag. Take scissors and cut the zip tie. The all-in-one hooper accessory kit. Cut the tape on all sides. The booklet included in the accessory kit has a jump drive attached to it. Inside the booklet has free offers and discounts for other products. Remove the contents of the box. In envelope number 1, there'll be a large tubular bracket. The second item is a replacement bracket for your Leveler Pro. The third item is used for Melco machines only for large hoops. The fourth item is a set of C-clamps. Second envelope. First item is the sleeve board support arm. Second item is the screw packets for the Leveler Pro. Third item is sleeve support arm to go underneath the sleeve board. Fourth item is the Leveler Pro and some helpful hint sheets.